adventurous, loved the smell of old paper and dust in Grandpa Barnaby's attic. While digging through a heavy wooden trunk, she found a crinkled, golden map hidden at the very bottom. The map showed a tiny island shaped like a star in the middle of a sparkling blue sea. "That is Courage Cove," Grandpa whispered. "Many have looked for its secret, but it takes a very special explorer to find it." Marglo packed her yellow backpack with a compass and her favorite sun hat. She hopped into her small rowboat and began to pull the oars. "Goodbye, Grandpa," she called out as she drifted away from the dock. The sea grew choppy, and big waves splashed against the sides of the boat. Marglo felt her heart thumping in her chest. She held the map tight and hummed a brave song to keep her spirits up. Finally, the sand crunched under her boat. Marglo stepped onto the beach of the star-shaped island. The air smelled like tropical flowers, and tall palm trees swayed in the warm breeze. The jungle was thick and full of strange, rustling sounds. A bright, colorful parrot named Zippy landed on a low branch. "Are you looking for something?" Zippy squawked, tilting his head. "I'm looking for the secret of the island," Marglo said. Zippy flapped his wings and led the way through the vines and up a steep, rocky hill. Marglo's legs were tired, but she didn't stop. At the very top of the hill, tucked under a giant rock shaped like a heart, Marglo found what she was looking for. A small, wooden box was half buried in the soft dirt. Marglo took a deep breath and lifted the heavy lid of the box. She expected to see gold coins or sparkly jewels, but the chest was empty except for a single piece of folded paper. Marglo unfolded the note and read the words out loud. "The real treasure is courage." She smiled, realizing that the journey was the prize. She was a true explorer, and she wasn't afraid of anything anymore.